this is Brandee Simons. This is my video, my take on my full regimen, which I'm pretty much normal now. I used to be really sensitive skin because of all the medications that I was on, but I'm not on too many medications anymore, just a couple. And they don't really mess too much with my skin tone or what I have going on. I get occasional breakouts, but I've got a couple products that I've posted before about how I deal with my breakouts. So we're doing this full week of one different type of regimen per day that we're giving away. So if you are interested in finding out how to get your regimen for free, definitely ask me today. This is only going until the 11th. I think today is the third day that we've done it. So definitely if you want in on this, let me know. But we're going to start out today. I am going to show you a full regimen. There are 5 steps to this regimen, which are very quick, simple, and easy. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to get my face going here. We're going to wash my face. I'm using today for my cleanser, it's called Easy Going, and it is a cream cleanser base. And I will show you what that looks like in just a moment once I have my face completely wet. So now that it's wet, this is what our cleanser bottles look like. And this is, like I said, the cream cleanser. You do not have to use very much. That's probably too much as is. And it doesn't soap up or anything. It's almost like a lotion-based cleanser on your skin. There's really no scent to it at all. And it feels really, really good. I especially like this when I'm using an ion tool because you want the wetness on your face when you're using that ion tool, and it stays pretty wet while you're using it. So I'm just washing it. And now I'm going to go in and rinse off. And when you're washing your face, you always want to use either warm to cool water. You don't want hot water on your face. And just make sure you wash all that off really, really well. And everybody has their own take. Some people like to use a washcloth. That's fine too. I like to soak mine and then go in and pat dry. Especially near my eyes. I like to get all those sleepers out. And then once I've patted dry, in order to completely dry, I use my little tool, which is our fan. And that gets rid of all the leftover wet spots without me having to forcefully dry my face on a towel. Once I have that done, we're going to go in with our step 2. Our step 2 is a resurface. And there are 2 different steps. One is a PM, one is an AM, because we're doing the AM. This is what I'm using right now, which is called Fake ID. And it's a Glycolic Rejuvenating Serum. And it has all the ingredients. All of our containers have all of the ingredients on them, so you know what you're putting on your face. And of course, you don't need, I do 1.5 pump, really. And that's what I get. And everybody has their own way of doing it. But this is how I do it. I go in and pat it all over first. And then I go back. It dries really, really quickly. I know you're probably going, oh my God, 5 steps. I don't have time for all this, but it really does not take that long. It's pretty much dry as it is right now. But I'm gonna go back in with my fan again for just a quick second. Now, if I was using a mask today, I would have done it before I put my step 2 on, which could have been either the Saving Mask, Saving Face, or To the Rescue, which is an anti-fighting foaming facial, or my Crystal Ball, which I think is in my shower right now. And my Crystal Ball is your exfoliating, it's a microdermabrasion exfoliator, and which kind of takes the place of the Fake ID. So if you're using that, you don't want to use this with it because you're getting 2 of the same thing, and that might be a little bit too much exfoliation. This is a chemical exfoliator. So next that I'm going to go in with is normally a step 3, which is my, be right back. So I have 2 step 3s. This first one is called Our Little Secret. It's a firming and wrinkle repair serum. The other step 3 is a youth accelerator, and it is an apple stem cell age reversal serum. I like both. I have both. However, today we are using a youth accelerator. And when I use Our Little Secret, I add our Mission Accomplished, which is actually a DNA reversal serum. With that, I put them both together. But for right now, we're going to go in with this, which again is our step 3. Again, about 2 pumps. You don't need a whole lot. And after I do this, I then take my quartz roller and I go over everything with that quartz roller before I put on my eye cream. And this one dries very, very quickly. So I will not be using the fan on this one because I want a little bit left on when I go over with my roller. And my roller, I'm just pulling everything up. And I keep this in the refrigerator so it stays really, really nice and cool. And it feels really, really good. And I get right in here because this is my trouble area. And I also do it right, very, very gently over my droopy eyelids. I have hooded eyelids, which I do not like. But I feel like it takes a lot of that puffiness right away. And then the same thing for my forehead. Next thing I'm going to go in with is called Drama Free. This is also a step 3, and it is a repair serum. You don't necessarily have to add this to it. However, if you have any type of red skin or irritation on your skin, this is really, really good to use. It's like magic in a bottle to help get rid of that stuff. Now, I don't even do 1.5 squirts. It's like 1 in a tiny, tiny bit because it's very liquidy, as you can see. And I just take this and I put it all over where I know I have my troubled areas. I get major redness right through here. And so that's where I'm using it the most. And then my under eye. And then anything left over goes over the rest of my face. Again, that dries very, very quick. Excuse me, very, very quickly. Once I have that done is when I go in with my eye cream, my Immortal Eye Cream. A lot of people have problems with this one because they feel like it doesn't really help their puffiness. The thing is, if you're using too much or you're going too close to your eye, it is going to create your eye to have puffiness. This is the amount that I use, and I always use my ring finger in order to equally distribute the product. So this is it. And I come right down here and I just do a couple dots and I do a couple dots up here, and you're wanting to pat it because patting versus smearing, you're getting the blood circulation going. And so we do that for a quick second. Voila, all done. That's how quick and easy that one is. And then the last step, well, I say that, but it's not really. This is step 4. This is your moisturizer. And this is my Anytime Anywhere, which is a time-released moisturizer. So as I use it throughout the day, as I need more of it, it's automatically going to disperse from my skin. And that's why I like this one, because I am a combination skin. I have both oily and dry skin. And so what this does is, one, it feels like silk on your freaking skin. I can't even begin to describe the feeling of this moisturizer. But we're just going to rub this in all over. Like so. Like I said, it feels like silk on your skin. It makes your skin feel so good, and you can really feel that moisture going into it, which is what we need. Because did you know that having dry skin will show more wrinkles and make you look older than you actually are? You need to have that moisture in your skin. So the next and final step is going to be our SPF, which is called Making Shade. Let me grab that so I can show you what that looks like. And we're going to go in with this. This is a normal SPF. It is water resistant for up to 40 minutes, and it is the Broad 30. And this is your 5th step that you're going to use. This stuff, you don't need very much of it. It works well. You will be putting this on as your very last thing before going out for the day. That is my AM routine. And I will show you this really quickly. This is what I'm saying. It works really, really well. It comes out. You don't need a lot. It doesn't have a funky smell. It doesn't have a greasy texture. It's literally like an extra moisture. And you should always have your SPF on, whether it's cloudy or sunny or hot or cold. You always want to have that on, especially if you've used a step 2, because the sun is going to hit your face so much faster, even when the sun's not out. Even when the sun's not out, with using a resurfacer like that. So you want to make sure. And you can see it's completely absorbed into the skin very quickly. There is no greasy texture. My face feels good. I'm gonna be honest, I really don't wear makeup. I don't even really wear mascara anymore. I do, this is my daily routine. This is my morning routine, and I will try to make another video of what I do at night, because I do change it up with a couple different options. And again, this is I'm normal skin, and this is the normal skin regimen. So any questions, please let me know. If you wouldn't mind, please hitting that subscribe button so you know when we have other videos posting. We do a lot of different things on here. So if you have anything that you want tips or tricks about doing, please leave that in the comments, and I will work on getting that type of video up for you. Thank you so much, and enjoy your day. Bye.